How to change so into such in a sentence. You know that so is followed by an adjective. You just take this adjective and add a or an before and add a noun after. The cake is so delicious. Use such here. Easy peasy. Just remove the cake and add this. Then is comes down. Then change so into such. Then the adjective delicious, we put a delicious. Then the noun cake. This is such a delicious cake. And the rule is such, then a, then adjective, then a noun. The film is so boring. Remove the film and put this. Is comes down, so becomes such. Boring becomes a boring film. This is such a boring film. The view is so amazing. The view becomes this. Is comes down, so becomes such. Amazing starts with a vowel sound here, so we use an, not a here. An amazing view. This is such an amazing view. You do this one. The dog is